Hello guys, today I will teach you exercise number 1.3 of chapter 1 knowing our number standard 6. Before this, I would like to inform you some basic things regarding exercise 1.3. In the basic, we can see in exercise a word estimation or estimate. Estimate means we have to assume the number as per our requirement. Suppose I will go to purchase something, then I will get the bill of 9,999. Suppose, then what we can say it is nearest to the 1000. It is nearest to the 1000. Why it is very near to 1000? Because this amount is actually nearest to the 1000, so it is our estimated amount. Is that clear? Now let us see from your exercise. In exercise you will get also one word, general rule. General rule means we have to estimate from ourselves. And second one is, it is clearly given in instruction that what you have to do. In general rule, we can assume the amount as per our choice. Suppose 1296. See, this amount will be assumed on the base 3 parts. Which one? First one is as per the 10th base, 10th place value. Second one is 100, and third one is 1000. It may be, if amount is bigger, then you can take is as per the 10,000 also. Now let's see as per the tens. If instruction is given not as per the general rules, if instruction clearly say to us that do as per the tens, nearest to the 10, then what will be your answer? See, 1296. See, first of all, how many zeros in 10? 1 0. So put here 1 0. If it is clear instruct, then rounding of 10 or nearest to the tens. Then see at the tens place, what you can see? 9. Now see very next to the 9. Very next to the 9 is 6. Whenever a number very next to the rounding of number 5 or greater than 5, 5 or plus means 5 or greater than 5 means 5 to 9. 5 to 9. Then we have to add to this number 1. So I will add 1 to 9. What came? 10. But here 10 is came. But I have to put 0 because if I add 1 this number, then we have to carry 1. So I am taking carry here 3. So rounding of 10 of this number is 1300. Is that clear to everyone? Now let us see second one, rounding of 100. Before it, I would like to inform you something. If number is 5 or more than 5 very next to the rounding of, then we have to add the particular number. But if it came 0 to 4 means 0, 1, 2, 3 and 4, this 5 number, then amount will remain same. I will explain one more example, then you can understand. Okay, now you can understand in this example also. Let us see 100. Question is 1296. How many zeros in 100? 2 zeros. Okay. What is at the place of the 100? 2. Very next is 9. 9 is more than 5. So I have to add 1 to this 2. If I am adding 1, then what is my answer? 1300. Same. Now, as per the 1000 rule, let us see. How many zeros are in 1000? 3 zeros. Now see at the 1000 place. What is the amount? 1 here. And very next to the 1, 2. 2 is not more than 5. See here. 2 is not more than 5. So 1 is remains same. Not add anything. 1. There is no change. So as per the nearest 1000, answer of 1296 is 1000. One more trick you can also apply. If it is given nearest 1000, then see 1296 is lies between 1000 and 2000. It lays between 1000 and 2000. Then you can see which one is very near. 1000 is very near or 2000 is very near. Obviously 1000. So your answer is 1000. You can do this method also in the